Right, hello everybody. I've sewn the signatures in and I've gone down to 2 because it was too big. It was massive, so that is plenty in there. I haven't got everything in it yet, so yeah, it's quite a lot going on. Got to finish a few bits through there, but I thought I'd show you the pocket because that's something. The inside pocket there. And the rest is sort of doing up tags and things and placing them and having some dangles, like cutting these out and everything. But I've put wallpaper. This is wallpaper, and I had a bit left. I've only got those 2 bits left. I only had a little bit, 12 by 12, so that was what was left over from that. So at the back I might put like a vellum envelope, I think, or something like that. So this one is going to be a pocket. And I'm using that because that came out of the other signature. Okay, so I just tore it out because I thought, oh, I like that. I've actually given that to my sister now, so she's going to expand on that. I thought, no, yeah, that is massive. Time I got everything in it. So I thought I'd do a pocket up. So that's what I tore out. So I'm left with that. So I thought that can go on here. There's my little embellishments. I think I'll try and get a strong, that's only on paper. Oh, that's all right. It's going to be stuck down, isn't it? It's not going to be floating. So, if you know what I mean, like stuck up with the wings up. So you need it on thick card then. This will be fine. And there. Okay, let's have a look. I thought a doily would go there. I'm going to just distress that top a little bit, even though I'm putting lace on it. So, right, I'm going to go and stitch around that. I've got cream in my sewing machine today, so that's what I'll be using. Okay, so that's all done. That's all stitched around there. I stitched that on there because that's the pocket here. This I have said in a previous envelope, it was actually a piece I've cut off an envelope that was too long. Okay, because I'd already covered it and that's what was left. I'd already covered it with vellum, so, and then I utilised that. So just got a little journaling card there, a little pocket there, and that's it. So I'm going to stick that in now. And I think I've got a tag here somewhere that needs doing up, so that can go in the back. So just glue on the 3 sides. I have stitched all around the envelope as well, making it look like it's stitched in. Put the sides in first and then that one, so you don't catch it. Ooh. Okay, I've got a couple of these that I will back. All right, these are just from my stash. So, oh, there we go. That's that, and then a big tag behind. So, found it. I put it actually in the journal, so must have gessoed this, put some washi tape on it, maybe years ago. No idea, but it's turned up. And I'm going to cover it with vellum first, just to push that music paper a little bit in the background, I think. Yep. Okay, let's put that on first. With vellum, before I sew it, I do leave a little bit extra because sometimes it moves. Okay, then I'll trim it after. All right, sometimes. Right, okay. Oh, I've got these now. I took these apart when I put the paper clips in the journal. It made it far too bulky, so I've ripped the paper clips out, but I thought I'd use these as, you know, toppers through the journal and glue them in, basically. Yeah. Or let's do a thingy. I'm going to do it out of music paper. Right, this is what the sort of thing I do. I'm going to cover this. This is just a bit of card from the I printed on, actually. I'm going to put some washi tape down. Cut a circle out of this, so just not getting my stamps out, that's all. So I'll do it this way, but you can stamp your background like that if you so want to. 3/4 inch punch, or 1/2 inch, but I'll do 3/4, I think. Okay, yeah. Right, I'm gonna put one of these in first and then punch my hole. I just find it easier than trying to center everything up. So just sink it there. A little bit big, actually, I think. Let's have a look. But that'll be all right for today, won't it? Yeah. And because I tore that a bit, but still it's in keeping with everything, I'm gonna put that behind, I think. The washi tape there. Okay, and I might cut a bit of this out again. It's too wide as is. Okay. So it's a bit crinkly at the end there, so I'll start this end. God, it's really sticky, this one. Okay, right, I'm going to stitch around that now. And there we are. Okay, so you've got those textures going on there, and I do like the washi tape work like that. I'll just blend it in a tiny bit more. There we are. Yep, perfect. Let's see what it looks like. I put the fibres in the top. So we'll do something with a few of those because it's a nice tone, those. And it goes in there. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I will have something taller again behind it. Yeah, because you can't really see that because it was quite a short one, but that's fine. Yeah, nicely stuffed. I'll tell you what I do have is I might make sort of like something writing, cut this down, make something out of that to go in the back with a bit of lace behind it. So I'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Yeah. Right, okay. So let's have a look. It's quite thin, so I'm going to have to do it where that crease is now. So I'm going to bring that in a bit first. I'll do it that size, I think. That's 3 3/4, but it just depends what what your pocket's like. And I'll take some off the bottom because it's quite a lot of writing on that one. Let's have a look. That's about the length of the size of the journal, so I do need to take some off. Right, let's see if it fits first before we go any further. That's good. Yeah, that's worked nicely. Okay, right. this is what I do. I'm going to stick that down and then back it with line paper. So you've got a journaling card there, nice large one. This is only thin paper, so it's one of the inkjet ones, I think. There. I know we're covering that up, but it's okay. Oh, I've got one here. That one for it. It's only a spare bit of paper. Because you've got to remember, I print it twice. I print it on my inkjet and I print it on my laser. So actually, I need a new inkjet. 3 years old and it's gone. Went last night, so got to get a new one. I will get another Canon. I'm going to get the same machine because that's lasted me 3 years. Brilliant. And I've printed thousands. So, and I haven't bought any ink for it because it's the refill bottles and you get so many with the machine. Plus, I had some over from my Epsom and I use that. So, but yeah, it's a little switch that says that it shuts the ink off, and it's like a flip thing, and you flip it over usually when you transport it so the ink don't leak. Well, it's telling me it's closed and it's open, and it's, I don't know, something wrong there. I don't know why it should go wrong because you don't go anywhere near it, you never touch it, but it's decided, the machine is saying that no ink is coming out because this lever is closed, but it's not. So that's a mechanical thing, and I think 3 years, no, I'll just get a new one. Usually my printers only last 2, so it's done well. There we are. Yeah, and I'll stitch around that, put a bit of lace down there. Keep it simple because we've got the tag. Yeah, I don't know whether... Oh, I've got some here, that'll be right. I just want something, you know, neutral-ish behind the tag, so... And there we go. Okay, that's all it is. All right, but there's quite a lot going on, so something playing behind offsets everything. Actually, it goes that way, I think. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, hope you like that. That's the video today. I'm going to go through and back, you know, and cut out more of these and get it sort of, got a few tags to go in, but I've got a few things to do, but not too much. I'll find a place for one of these that might actually go on the back page somewhere. I might have a, instead of having an envelope, might have a belly band, something like that. Not sure yet. Okay, but I'll go ahead and back loads of things and get them sort of going. All right, well, thank you very much everybody for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.